Today we are going to complete the exercise of chapter number 11, The Happy Prince. Comprehension. A. Choose, fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. First, the statue of Happy Prince was covered with gold. Second, it had two bright sapphire for eyes and a large red ruby on his sword hilt. Hilt मतलब उसकी हैंडल पर, sword की हैंडल पर. Second, third, the swallow's friends had gone to Egypt for winter. Fourth, the little swallow stayed back as he was in love with a reed. Fifth, the little swallow decided to stay at the feet of the happy prince when he reached the city. Then we choose the correct option. First, though it was winter, the swallow felt quite warm as the good deed he had done gave him a warm feeling. Second, the swallow decided to stay with the happy prince as he wanted to help the happy prince who had become blind. Then, third, when the swallow flew over the city, he saw that the poor suffered terribly while the rich enjoyed themselves. C. Read the sentences from the story and answer the questions. First, why are you weeping then? A. Who asked this question and to whom? Answer. The swallow asked the happy prince. B. Why is the speaker surprised? The speaker is surprised. Speaker कौन है यहाँ पर? Swallow. The speaker is surprised because the prince name Happy Prince was crying. Prince का नाम क्या था? Happy Prince. और वो क्या कर रहा था? वो रो रहा था, इसलिए swallow क्या हो गया? Surprise हो गया. Then B. A loud crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. A. What had broken inside the statue? Answer. The leaden heart of the happy prince had broken. The leaden heart of the happy prince had broken. Happy prince का जो हार्ट था वो किस चीज़ से बना था? वो लीड से बना था, इसलिए यहाँ पे बोला है the leaden heart. B. Why has it broken? Answer. It was broken because the swallow had died. ये वाला आंसर आप ऐसे भी लग सकते हो. It was broken because the swallow who had helped the happy prince had died. Then next. Third, bring me the two most precious things in the city. A. Who said this and to whom? Answer. God said this to his angel. Then B. What were the two most precious things brought? Answer. They were the leaden heart of happy prince and dead body of swallow. Then answer the questions. First question. Why was the happy prince crying? Answer. The happy prince was crying because he could see misery in his city from where he stood. Then second question. Why did the happy prince want to give the ruby to the seamstress? Answer. He wanted to give the ruby to the seamstress. Seamstress मतलब वो सिलाई करने वाली, जो कपड़े सिलती थी उनके ऊपर सिलाई करती थी, वो वाली. Because her son had fever. उसके बच्चे को क्या था? फीवर था. उसे क्या चाहिए थे? उसको चाहिए थे ऑरेंजेस, लेकिन वो इतनी गरीब थी कि उसके घर पर सिर्फ पानी था. Because her son had fever and wanted oranges, but she was so poor that she had water only. Then third question. To whom did the happy prince send a sapphire from his eye and why? उसके पास कितने sapphire थे? 2 उसकी आँखों में. The happy prince gave the first sapphire to a young man who was trying to finish a play from the director of the theatre but was too cold and hungry to write. ये हो गया फर्स्ट के बारे में. Then second. The second sapphire was given to a match girl whose matches had got spoiled and her father would have beaten her if she did not bring him money. Then fourth question. What impression do you form of the happy prince? Answer: the happy prince was caring, loving and helpful. Fifth question: do you think that the swallow was a true friend? Give two reasons to support your answer. Answer: yes. He was a true friend as he held the happy prince and stood by his side right till the end.